Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word pharmacist. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is pharmacist. Let's break it down. First, we have F-A-R, which rhymes with car and bar. Then comes M, a quick, unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. Finally, cyst, which sounds like list, but with a soft S at the beginning. Now, let's put it all together. Pharmacist. Try repeating after me, pharmacist. Now a little faster, pharmacist. And at full speed, pharmacist. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Pharmacist refers to a person who is qualified to prepare and dispense medications, often working in a pharmacy. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce pharmacist and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.